हेलो गाइस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे हमारे बिलवर्ड आईसीएआई के बारे में। ओके। सो इन 1977 इंटरनेशनल फेडरेशन ऑफ अकाउंटेंट्स was set up to bring harmony in the profession of accounting on international level. Okay. In 1977 IFAC, that is International Federation of Accountants, was set up to bring harmony in the profession of accounting in international level, and it established international ASBA, that is International Auditing and Assurance Standard Board. IASBA is small brother of ASBA. ASBA is Indian version and IASBA is international version. Okay. IASBA is independent standard setting board, and the objective of IASBA is to establish high quality auditing standards and guidance. Its IASBA's objective is to establish high quality auditing standards and guidance for financial statement auditing generally accepted by investor, government, bankers, auditors, etc. So IASBA setups auditing standards and guidance for financial statement auditing generally accepted by investor, bankers, government, auditors, etc. So its second objective is to establish high quality standards and guidance for other types of assurance service. Both it includes both financial as well as non-financial. First of all, it will set up auditing standards and guidance for financial statement audit. Then it will set up guidance, standard and guidance for other type of assurance service. Third, it will establish high quality standards and guidance for related service. And fourth, it will establish high quality standards and guidance for quality control, covering the scope of service addressed by IASBA. Okay, so quality control covering the scope of service addressed by the IASBA. It is quality control for services addressed by the ASBA. Okay, so IASBA's objective is to establish high quality standards and guidance for number one, financial audit. Second, other type of assurance service. In other type of assurance service, it includes both financial as well as non-financial. Third, other related service. Then and fourth, services addressed by IASBA. Okay, so these are the four objective of IASBA. Next we will learn about our beloved ICAI. ICAI is member of IFAC, that is International Federation of Accountants, which was set up in 1997. So ICI is member of IFAC, and members implement the guidance issued by IFAC. So ICI's work is to implement on guidance issued by IFAC. Okay, and ICI constituted APC, that is Audit Practice Community, which was later converted into ASBA. So ASBA is our Audit and Assurance Standard Board, and ASBA establish issue engagement standards. ASBA issue engagement standards, that is our standards on auditing, standards on reviewing engagement, standards on assurance engagement, standards on related service. Okay, What is ASBA? ASBA is Auditing and Assurance Standard Board. So for audit, it issue standards on auditing, and for assurance, it issue standard on assurance. For auditing, standard on auditing, and for assurance, standard on assurance. Okay, and and we need to review the audit. Therefore, it also issues standard for reviewing the engagement. Okay. Number one is standard on auditing, number two is standard on assurance engagement, number three is standard on reviewing engagement, and number four is for other services, that is standard on related services. Standard on auditing is to be applied in audit of historical finance. SA is to be applied, that is standard on auditing is to be applied on audit of historical financial information, and standard on review engagement is to be applied on review of historical financial information. So this is standard on auditing for audit of historical financial information, standard on reviewing engagement, review of historical financial engagement information. Then standard on assurance engagement is to be applied in assurance engagement other than historical financial information. So this is for other than historical financial information. SAE, that is standard on assurance engagement, and SRS is to be applied on other service engagement specified by ICAI. Okay, so this four standards to be applied for audit of historical financial engagement, review of historical financial engagement, assurance engagement other than historical financial information, and last one is for other service engagement specified by ICAI. Standard on related service is to be applied on other service engagement specified by ICAI. Okay, and ASBA also issue standard for quality control, that is SQC, standard on quality control. Generally, SA is rules for the partners. Okay, SA is rules for partners, and SQC is rules for firm. SQC is standard for quality control. It is also issued by ASBA. SQC is from 1 to 99, and our SA is from 1 to 899. SA and SQC. SA for partners, SQC for firms. SRE, that is standard on reviewing engagement, for review, and standard on assurance engagement other than historical financial engagement, related service for other service engagement issued by specified by ICAI. Okay, so this is a history of our ICAI. IFAC was established in 1977. Then it established as IASBA. IASBA's work is to establish high quality auditing standards and guidance for financial statement audit, other assurance service, related service, and services addressed by IASBA. Okay, here also first audit, financial audit, and then assurance service. It is auditing and assurance standard board. So financial audit, and then other type of assurance service, then related service, and other services addressed by IASBA. Here auditing assures, next is assurance, third is related service, 1 2 3 and same, 1 2 3 are same, fourth one here is a reviewing engagement, and here is services addressed by IASBA. Scope for services addressed by IASBA. Okay, so now let's move ahead. So next is code of ethics. So IFAC, or which we learned now, which was established in 1977, that is International Federation of Accountants. IFAC. So IFAC have prepared code of conduct. So code of conduct is prepared by IFAC. So code of ethics. So code of ethics prepared by IFAC says that fundamental principle of code of ethics are fundamental principle of code of ethics are integrity, objectivity, professional behavior, confidentiality, and professional competence with due care. 5 points. Okay. First one is integrity, second is objectivity, third is professional behavior, fourth is confidentiality, and fifth is competence, professional competence with due care. I've made one acronym, that is Police Patil, to remember this 5 fundamental principles of code of ethics. Police Patil maintains code of ethics in the society. So P is for professional behavior, O is for objectivity, I is for integrity, C is for confidentiality, and P is for professional conduct with due care. P P for professional behavior, O for objectivity, I for integrity, C for confidentiality, and P for professional competence with due care. 5 fundamental principle of code of ethics issued by IFAC, that is International Federation of Accountants. International Federation of Accountants says that fundamental principle of code of ethics are P for professional behavior, O for objectivity, POLL nothing, I is for integrity, C for confidentiality, E say nothing, and for P for professional competence with due care. Okay. Next is qualities of auditor. So इसमें क्या करने का, सबसे पहला वाला जो पॉइंट है उसके अंदर कोई भी 5 अच्छे क्वालिटीज़ लिख डालने का, स्टेटमेंट ऐसा बनाने का कि द क्वालिटीज़ रिक्वायर्ड आर द क्वालिटीज़ रिक्वायर्ड बाय ऑडिटर आर patience, good temper, reliability, judgment, integrity, tact, etc. The qualities required are patience, integrity, good temper, रिलायबिलिटी, जजमेंट, टैग एक्सेट्रा. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट में अपने कोई भी 5 अच्छे क्वालिटीज़ लिख देने का, जैसे कि पेशेंस, रिलायबिलिटी, गुड टेम्पर, जजमेंट, इंटीग्रिटी, टैक्ट, कॉशंस एक्सेट्रा. हो गया फर्स्ट पॉइंट, वेरी इजी. कोई भी 5 पॉइंट और 5 अच्छे क्वालिटीज़ लिखने का. इन सेकेंड पॉइंट में बोलेंगे, इन सेकेंड पॉइंट इज़ इन शॉर्ट में वो चीज़ को समझाना है अपने को. सेकेंड पॉइंट ऐसा है कि जो भी क्वालिटीज़ एक गुड बिजनेसमैन में रहना चाहिए वो गुड ऑडिटर में रहना चाहिए. सो इन शॉर्ट ऑल दोज क्वालिटीज़ in short all those qualities which is required by good businessman contributes to make a good auditor. Okay. All those qualities which are required by good businessman contributes to make good auditor. Okay. थर्ड पॉइंट जो हमारा कल्चर है उसके ऊपर बोलना है कि कल्चर हमको अलग हाइट पे एक ग्रेट शाइन देता है, ग्रेट हाइट्स पे पहुंचाता है. सो इन एडिशन मस्ट हैव शाइन इन कल्चर टू रीच ग्रेट हाइट्स. ओके. इन एडिशन मस्ट हैव शाइन इन कल्चर टू रीच ग्रेट हाइट्स. फिर उसके बाद में 2 इम्पोर्टेंट जो क्वालिटीज़ है, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वालिटीज़ वो है इंटीग्रिटी और इंडिपेंडेंस. उसके ऊपर बोला है कि हाई इंटीग्रिटी बैक्ड बाय एडवोकेट इंडिपेंडेंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके. फिर उसके बाद कोड ऑफ एथिक्स मेंशन बाय IFAC. कोड ऑफ एथिक्स मेंशन दैट professional behavior, O for objectivity, I for integrity, and C for confidentiality, and P for professional behavior. So code of ethics mentions this five ethics as fundamental principle for uh, code of ethics. ओके, सो फिफ्थ पॉइंट ये बोलने का हमारे 5 पॉइंट कैसे, पहले कोई भी 5 अच्छे गुड्स क्वालिटी, फिर सेकंड इन शॉर्ट बोल देने का कि गुड बिजनेसमैन के जो क्वालिटी से वो चाहिए हमको, फिर उसके बाद कल्चर वाला पॉइंट कि गुड कल्चर रीचेस अस टू ग्रेट हाइट, फिर उसके बाद दो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वालिटीज़ वो है इंटीग्रिटी, और इंटीग्रिटी बैक्ड बाय एडवोकेट इंडिपेंडेंस, और उसके बाद अपने 5 कोड ऑफ एथिक्स के फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कोड ऑफ एथिक्स बोल देने का। ओके, ये हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट हाफ। तो ये है फर्स्ट 5 पॉइंट्स। फिर उसके बाद जो है वो हमारा वो वाला जो आंसर था, ऑडिटिंग एंड रिलेशनशिप विद अदर डिसिप्लिन्स, उसके अंदर हमको बोला था कि ऑडिटिंग हैव रिलेशनशिप विद लॉ, देयरफॉर knowledge of company act as well as mercantile law is required। ये हो गया हमारा 6th पॉइंट कि knowledge of company act as well as mercantile law is required। फिर उसके बाद लॉ क्या रहा, बाकी डिसिप्लिन्स की ज़रूरत है हमको। सो ही मस्ट हैव नॉलेज इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, FM, लॉ, टैक्सेशन, अकाउंट्स, IT एक्सेट्रा। सो ये 2 पॉइंट्स रिलेशनशिप विद अदर डिसिप्लिन से था। फिर उसमें वो ये भी था कि एग्जॉस्टिव नॉलेज ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एग्जॉस्टिव नॉलेज ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो 1, 2 और 3 ये पॉइंट रिलेटेड टू रिलेशनशिप विद अदर डिसिप्लिन्स। फिर उसके बाद बोलने का कि प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज और थेरोटिकल नॉलेज दोनों इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और ऑडिटर मस्ट होल्ड अ ट्रस्ट पोजीशन ऑफ ट्रस्ट। ओके, वेरी इजी। 10 पॉइंट्स। फर्स्ट पॉइंट में कोई भी 5 क्वालिटीज़ बोलना है, जैसे कि पेशेंस, इंटीग्रिटी, जजमेंट, गुड टेम्पर, रिलायबिलिटी are qualities required by the auditor। In short, second point, businessman wala point, second, in short, all those qualities required by a good businessman contributes to make a good auditor। Third, in addition, must have shine in culture to reach great heights। Fourth, high integrity backed by advocate independence is very important। Fifth, code of ethics mention five ethics which are fundamental principle for professional ethics। Next, knowledge of company law as well as mercantile law is required। Seventh, he must have education in the subject of eco, FM, law, taxation, accounts, IT, both practical as well as practical as a theoretical knowledge is equally important। He must hold a position of trust, and he must have exhaustive knowledge in accounting। Okay, सो ये 10 पॉइंट्स लिखना है इफ़ क्वेश्चन इज़ क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ द ऑडिटर। ओके, फर्स्ट 5 पॉइंट्स क्वालिटीज से रिलेटेड, फिर नेक्स्ट 3 पॉइंट्स रिलेशनशिप विद अदर डिसिप्लिन से रिलेटेड, फिर लास्ट के 2 पॉइंट्स प्रैक्टिकल और थेरोटिकल नॉलेज दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट चाहिए, एंड ही शुड होल्ड पोजीशन ऑफ ट्रस्ट। सो इसको थ्री पार्ट्स में हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट जो है क्वालिटीज़, सेकेंड जो है रिलेशन विद अदर डिसिप्लिन्स, और थर्ड जो है उसमें 2 पॉइंट्स प्रैक्टिकल प्लस थेरोटिकल नॉलेज दोनों इम्पोर्टेंट है, और ही शुड ओन पोजीशन ऑफ ट्रस्ट। क्वालिटीज़ में पहला जो पॉइंट है उसमें 5 अच्छे क्वालिटीज़ बोल रहे हैं। सेकंड, बिजनेस मैन। फिर थर्ड जो है उसके अंदर आता है कल्चर। फिर 1, 2, 3 कल्चर के बाद अपने को क्या चाहिए, 2 important qualities, that is integrity और independence, आई स्क्वायर, और फिर उसके बाद कोड ऑफ एथिक्स। ऐसे अपने 5 पॉइंट्स बनाने का है रिलेटेड टू क्वालिटी वाले। फिर रिलेशनशिप विद अदर डिसिप्लिन्स में लॉ, और फिर अदर सब्जेक्ट्स जो हमको है FME को। फिर उसके बाद अकाउंट्स का एग्जॉस्टिव नॉलेज। ये हो गए ये हमारे फर्स्ट 5 पॉइंट्स। फिर नेक्स्ट 3 पॉइंट्स, और फिर उसके बाद लास्ट 2 पॉइंट्स। तो ये हो गए 9, 10। वेरी इजी आंसर।